Faros Hotel, Ayia Napa, Cyprus. This is another good and budget resort in the city. It is also located not at the beach line. You should walk 5 minutes to the nearest Limanaki beach. Along with this, the hotel has a beautiful large swimming pool. Food is always delicious and fresh. Due to location, the hotel may experience some noise from the road and attractions in land view rooms. There is no entertainment during the day or night at all. In our view, if you don't need fast line and entertainment, this hotel can be a very good budget choice in Ayia Napa.